Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your DNS server address in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up the search menu, so the little magnifying glass. So go ahead and click on that and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and select the network and internet tile. And then you want to go select where it says change adapter options. So go left click on that. Right click on whatever adapter is listed in here and select where it says properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and in parentheses TCP/IPv4 and select properties. At this point, you can go ahead and select use the following DNS server address, and you would type in the preferred as well as the alternate DNS server, and that's all you have to do. So you just have to enter it in here. Each area is a separate number, so you won't put them all in one area. You got to make sure you space them out. And then you would also want to validate settings upon exit. So pretty straightforward process, guys. You would set that, validate, and then select OK, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.